I just got SimPure's water filtration system. I'm opening this up for the very first time, so that if you're wondering what comes inside, well, I'll be able to answer that question for you. So let's get this box opened up here and take a good look of every single piece that this water filtration system comes with. And all right, so starting on the top, we've obviously got the manual that it comes with, gives you the model number and everything. This looks like it's going to be to catch like water drips, so that'll probably go on the piece there as we take it out. This sounds like it has something inside of it. I'm not entirely sure what this piece will be, but let's get it out of its bag and take a closer look. Maybe it's part of our actual filtration system. Can we open this at all? Yes. Okay, so yes, we've got our actual filter inside of there. I don't think it's going to open anymore, but you can hear and see it, and it looks like it's going to peel off the tape here before we actually put that on, and then it's got an open and close. So yeah, I do think this is going to be our filter that we're going to throw onto there. And we've got some protective foam, probably for the actual device itself, and yes, get it out of the box. I think that's everything inside of here that it actually comes with. So it says in the box that there's a glass pitcher inside, okay? And I think it actually means under that. And it sure does, okay. I'm glad that it said that on the box. I probably would have missed that had I not known, but yes, there's the glass pitcher that was under that kind of label right there. Get that opened up. And it tells you exactly what you're going to do with that filter with this too. So it looks like the filter is going to go on top of this glass pitcher here. You got steps to rinse it. And then let's just get our actual filtration system here out of its wrapping. And take a look at that real quickly. So there's a quick start guide on the back right there. It tells you to just take out the water tank, refill with tap water, pull it back, place the pitcher, and use it. So out of our packaging. We're almost there. And there you go. There is the entire unit, the system, all unboxed and ready to be set up and used. So let me know if you want to see a video on how to actually use it.